Powder coating shop. The process of painting products involves several stages. Applying a conversion protective layer, painting in RAL colors on a high-tech free-drive conveyor, checking the quality of the coating in our own specialized laboratory in accordance with DSTU EN 12206, as well as packaging and warehousing of painted products. A workshop for processing sheet glass and manufacturing double-glazed windows. The workshop is fully equipped and staffed with the following sections. The automated glass cutting section is designed for precise cutting of large size formats, 6,000 by 3,210 millimeters and 3,210 by 2,250 millimeters. Automated processing of various types of glass edges, such as blunted SE, ground GE, and polished PE. Automated milling of grooves and holes in glass parts designed for precision manufacturing of elements used in the production of glass structures. The 2,440 by 4,200 millimeter glass tempering and bending section is designed for the production of tempered and bent glass used in the manufacture of facades, partitions, furniture, doors, fences, automotive, and interior glazing. The glass triplexing lamination section, which makes it possible to use glass in combination with special materials to produce safe and armored products. Glass coloring section. Enameled glass combines functionality and aesthetics, making it popular in modern construction and design. The insulating glass units section. The double-glazed window production line is designed for the automated manufacture of multi-layer sealed glass structures such as double-glazed windows used in modern windows, doors, facades, building structures, and other applications. The workshop for the production of aluminum translucent structures is designed for the design, production, and assembly of facade systems, window and door blocks, partitions, winter gardens, and other structures. The workshop for manufacturing structures from PVC profiles is designed for serial and individual production of translucent structures, including windows, doors, balcony blocks, and partitions. The technological process includes cutting of PVC profiles, reinforcement, welding of corners, machining, installation of seals, installation of fittings, and glass. A workshop for the production of decorative facade elements. Decorative elements made of aluminum, composite panels, other sheet metal materials, and HPL panels are part of ventilated facades used to aesthetically decorate buildings and improve their performance. They can also be used in other industries. Sub-design workshop is used to create metal or aluminum systems that serve as the basis for attaching various cladding materials, such as facade decorative panels and other building elements. The workshop for non-standard steelwork enables us to create unique metal elements and parts for facade structures and other metal products for various applications using plasma arc cutting, PAC, and non-consumable argon inert gas, TIG welding.